Hi guys, so this is my bird. On the HDX being recorded. I just got an idea of doing this as a video. No, I can't. I can't train her. I attempt to. Like, look. Every time I try, I can't really. Yeah, she just flies back. So yeah. I don't really make eye contact to her because she can think I'm a prey to her. A predator. Yeah, she doesn't want to go my hand. Takes time. I'm just gonna put the camera down. Hold on, let me just do this. Nope. Dang it. Yeah. Yeah, I can try every time. Oh, wait, did I show my face? I don't know if I show my face or not, but yeah, I can't do it, so yeah. Bye.